Medication therapy management is a service where pharmacists work with individuals to educate them about their health conditions and the medications used to manage these conditions. The goal is to help individuals improve their health outcomes. Alex Cardona and Dr. Amanda Denson with Full Circle Healthcare Solutions are here with the details. And thank you to both of you. Welcome. Solutions and information. That's what we really look for here on Active Lifestyles. And goodness, as a pharmacist, I'm sure you're aware of, all the medications and interactions and difficulties. So this is such a valuable situation to have this management program. So tell us a little overview about the management program.
Sure. Medication therapy management is simply just those processes that a pharmacist does when they come into a home or if you're at the pharmacy level. And that pharmacist comes in to educate them just a little bit more about what to take, what not to take, kind of going through those different medications, because if you're the normal average individual, especially somebody who's aging, you're really looking at, well, I have a doctor for this, a doctor for this, and a doctor for that. And those medications are very easily mixed up and somebody's not communicating with the other individual, and that pharmacist comes in to help just clear all that up and make sure they're not taking something they're not supposed to. Absolutely,
and just coordinating. And Dr. Denson, I'm sure you have seen that with patients, that it is true, they'll have multiple doctors and one doctor may not know what's being prescribed by another one.
Absolutely, it happens more often than you think. Many patients, they are taking many different medications and providers are trying to manage each patient individually. Unfortunately, they're not communicating too well with each other. And so there are duplicate medication therapies that are happening with each patient. They are confused in a lot of instances because they rarely know the name of the drug, let alone
it's the little red pill or
yes,
it's the white one or
absolutely,
something.
Absolutely. So having that pharmacist come in can play a very vital role in helping assist not only the providers, but actually help improve patients' understanding of medications by just giving them a little bit more education, giving them a little bit more time to talk to a healthcare professional and get a better understanding of what's going on.
Okay, so how does the program actually happen? I mean, does someone kind of contact you, or how do we set up that get-together with a pharmacist?
Well, I mean, it can happen in a lot of different ways. For the most part, everybody's plan usually has a plan on there that says medication therapy management. It's something covered by individuals' plans. So whether the plan actually contacts their own referral source, or maybe it happens out of the hospital, they call a referral out, or maybe it happens in the doctor's office. If they feel the need that there's multiple medications, there could be some confusion or some therapy overlap. At that point, that's when they bring in that medication expert in order to do that MTM.
Sure, and we were talking earlier, there's also that interaction, not just with a prescribed medication, but folks are taking vitamins and supplements. They may be taking something over the counter, and how would that interact with the prescriptions as well?
Absolutely, and a lot of patients don't share that information with their providers. It is something that they just know, oh, I'm just taking a multivitamin at home. Where in actuality, those multivitamins or supplements or herbal products that they're taking can, in fact, interact with their disease states, can interact with the medications that they're being prescribed. And so having that specialist in there to really talk to them and identify those things and share that information along with to their providers is definitely important.
So that's what we always encourage to, if you have multiple doctors, discuss about those prescriptions that you're taking, those supplements that you're taking, and get that assistance that's available.
Absolutely.
So again, Dr. Denson and Alex, it's wonderful to know there is a medication therapy management program that helps educate people about their medications and health conditions. Thanks again.
Thank you.